Important matter for RRB steno skill test. Speed 85 WPM. Be ready. 5 seconds. I am proud to state that I lead a workforce that is sincere and dedicated. It is my constant endeavor to improve their working conditions so that they continue to serve the organization with devotion. We will tie up with the Ministry of Health for ensuring an exchange between railways hospitals and government hospitals. We will introduce Ayush systems in 5 railway hospitals. All our gangmen will be provided with devices called Rakshak, which would be wireless enabled and will intimate them about approaching trains. We will also reduce the weight of the tools carried by them while patrolling on foot through value engineering. We will also provide toilets and air conditioning in cabs for our loco pilots. For promoting research in key policy areas, we intend setting up 2 chairs, one C.T. Venugopal chair on strategic finance, research and policy development, and another Kalpana Chawla chair on geospatial technology for Indian Railway. For our youth bubbling with ideas and energy, we will open up our organization to 100 students across engineering and MBA schools for 2 to 6 months internships each year. In partnership with the Ministry of Skill Development, we will work on massive skill development on our premises. Railway workshops and production units will develop centers of excellence for skill development, focusing on 1 or 2 specialized activities for the general public. We will also join hands with prominent NGOs to provide skilling to people in remote areas, including wards of railways employees. Last year, I had appealed to various NGOs and civil society to help Indian Railway on social issues such as sanitation and provision of basic amenities at stations. I am proud to state that a number of voluntary groups came forward and contributed to this national cause. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of them and hope for their continued association. Self-help groups not only provide employment to women but also respect and dignity. IRCTC has begun the process of empaneling self-help groups for providing catering and cooking services. We are partnering with NABARD to provide support and access to our IRCTC website to ensure extensive e-marketing for products produced by the self-help groups, which would lead to increase in rural incomes. We have partnered with Khadi and Village Industries Commission to support creation of employment and self-reliance in rural India, resulting in generation of 17 lakh man days. We will continue to partner with them to develop products and services for passengers and also market them using Indian Railways' vast resources and assets. We will encourage sourcing of products from SC and ST entrepreneurs. In the context of India's commitment to reduce its carbon footprint, we have undertaken energy audits which have revealed the possibility of reducing energy consumption in non-traction area by 10% to 15%. To achieve this, we have decided that all new light provisions will be LED luminaire only and all railway stations will be covered with LED luminaire in next 2 to 3 years. An action plan has been drawn up for environmental accreditation, water management and waste to energy conversion. So far, more than 2,000 locations have been provided with rainwater harvesting facility and rainwater harvesting system will be provided in a phased manner in all establishments having rooftop areas of more than 200 square meters. This comes from our realization that out of total potential of recycling around 250 million liters of water per day, we only recycle 20 million liters. Indian Railway uses steel sleepers on steel bridges which have limitations on maintenance and attaining higher speeds. Hence, environmentally friendly composite sleepers made up of recycled plastic waste have been developed which will be used over all girder bridges to take forward our Prime Minister's vision to promote solar power. Indian Railway had targeted commissioning of installed capacity of 1000 megawatt in next 5 years. Policy guidelines and tender documents for 50 megawatt solar plants at rooftop have been issued and facility for another 100 megawatt is being set up. We have commissioned a 25 megawatt wind mill power plant at Jaisalmer and we are working towards commissioning 132.5 megawatt in the next year. We propose to utilize our infrastructure at remotely located railway stations for installation of solar microgrid on pilot basis, which will not only provide clean and reliable power supply to railway stations but will also facilitate energy access to nearby quarters and surrounding rural households.